Hello, we want to talk today about getting started online while watching your budget. Now, whenever you're starting either a part or even all of your business online, it doesn't require buildings or equipment. It doesn't require employees, and it doesn't require infrastructure. In fact, it doesn't even require licenses. But it does require some capital to start up. Now, of course, most of this capital has to be spent before you really start earning any money, no matter how long that really takes. Now, the single most important aspect of your online business or the portion of your business you run online will require an upfront payment, and that's going to be for your database or for your list building. Now, there is a tool that you can use for your list building needs that will not require you to make an upfront payment. In fact, your first 2,000 customers and or prospects will be free to manage, and the service is called MailChimp. Now, MailChimp is considered to be a traditional autoresponder company, and it integrates with a number of new web applications. It allows for advanced segmentation and analysis, and it does not grow significantly in price until the number of your subscribers actually grows. And is a choice of many new entrepreneurs when adding an online portion of their business. In fact, it can be used to send newsletters and collect leads. Now, if there's a downside, MailChimp can be technical and difficult to install and manage once you get it running. Now, MailChimp is going to require some technical knowledge for you to get your newsletter sent, set up your auto-response to make sure your email gets delivered, and keep your prospects and your customers separate. It will also require some technical knowledge to get your WordPress-powered site connected. Fortunately, there are step-by-step video guides available that will show you how to do all of this and more. And if you'd like to find out more about how you can see these videos and start using MailChimp effectively, click the link you see on this page.